Today we are going to feature this Kia Forte LX. It's a 2017. It's got just a shade over 2,000 miles. I think it's got 2,500 miles on it. It's this really cool mocha bronze color. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Start down here on the driver's side. Everything looks really nice coming down this side. It is a 2017. Very, very low miles. Basically a new car here for the used car price. Alright, the rear of the vehicle looks great. No problems at all. Coming down the passenger side, it's in good shape. Front bumper looks good. Hood looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and hop inside. Got the black on black door panel. Alright, nice stitching here. Power locks, power windows. Alright, black cloth. Really cool pattern on the insert here. Alright, the cloth's in good shape. Driver's seat looks good. Alright, it does come with a key fob. Passenger seat's in good shape as well. Alright, still got that new car smell. Like I said before, it's only got 2,500 miles on it. Automatic. It's got your auxiliary and USB and power supply right there. Climate control center, CD player. We'll turn that on in just a second. Alright, steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Sit down in the vehicle. Go ahead and turn it on. There's your CD player there. We'll go ahead and turn on the air conditioner. Get that going. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. At 2,669 miles. Alright, AC's already blowing really cold. We'll just turn it on. No problems there. Everything else looks really good inside the vehicle. Go ahead and turn that off. We'll slide out. Check out the back seat and the storage area, the trunk space. Door panel back here looks good. Go ahead and get this dryer sheet out of here. Back seat looks good. Cloth's in good shape. Okay, go ahead and stick my head up here, kind of give you the driver's eye view of the vehicle. Forte's laid out really nicely. Okay, 2017 with 2,600 miles on it. And check out your trunk space here. Carpet back here is in good shape. Go ahead and stand to the side so you can get the depth on just how much space you have there. Okay, everything looks good. Go ahead and give you a shot of the back seat on this side. That black on black makes it kind of dark. I want you to be able to see the condition of the cloth here. Everything looks good. Let's go and give you the front passenger seat. Okay, everything looks good here. Let's check out your wheels and tires. Let's see, we got 15-inch steel wheels. The nice hubcaps on them there. Brand new set of tires. Okay, they've only got 2,600 miles on them. You can tell by the tread there, plenty of tread. All right, once again, guys, a 2017 Kia Forte LX. Still got factory warranty left. It's only got 2,600 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.